Just, welcome to team number 19's presentation on water movement. Um, this team is composed of me, Atharva, Rishabh. We both are second year electrical students, and Subramaniam, who is a third year electrical student, and we're competing in the general category. So the problem statement here is that Canada is known for having one of the largest freshwater reserves, around 20% of the world's total freshwater resources. However, less than half of this water is, or about 7% of the global supply is renewable. Operations and maintenance was found to be one of the most valuable areas to invest in. So the four most common challenges faced by operators today are training, troubleshooting, lessons learned, and networking in a community. So just hand it off to Subramanian.
Yeah. So our solution is that we have an online interactive platform where we have the ability to show videos library to train and educate the operators. We have a collaboration zone to provide a community for the indigenous water operators across Canada, and a youth zone to bridge the connection between students and the water sector. So this is our website, and as you can see in our homepage, we have an interactive navigation bar where you can select the videos tab so that the operators can view videos by category and can download videos from the page to view it offline. And we have a contact us page where you can send in your queries to us, and you can also see the discussion forum where you can post videos, photos, or text to collaborate in the zone and ask questions. And we have additional features of chatting with your friends and creating an online community. And you can also create an account using the login page and post your information here.
Yeah, Rishabh will be speaking about the backend development along with me. Rishabh, you want to take it away?
Yeah, hi, my name is Rishabh, and me and Athava has primarily worked on the backend of our web application. Our primary goal was to build on some of the advanced functionality of the user authentication, ensuring the security of the web application, and connecting the video uploads from the operator to the front end of our web application. Furthermore, creating a discussion board for the interactive platform we have created on our water movement website. And now Athava would like to speak something about it.
Yeah, the backend development was mostly carried out with the help of Django in Python. It's composed of four applications, namely the videos for housing the videos for the login and for the discussion. I hope you liked our presentation. Thank you.